Now we need to multiply a two-digit number by a single-digit number, and this time we're going to use short multiplication. So first we have 72 times 6. So we can write the question out with our two-digit number on top and our single-digit number below. And because we're using short multiplication, we only need one answer line. So first we need to multiply our ones digits. 2 times 6 is 12, but we can only have one digit in each place value, and 12 is a two-digit number. So, because 2 times 6 is 12, we need to write 12 as 1, 2, so with the first digit above the next place value column along. Then we have 7 times 6, which is 42, but what we need to do now is add the 1 that we've written on top. So 7 times 6 is 42, plus 1 is 43. Now here we don't have any more digits to multiply, so we can just write the 43 in our answer line. So our answer is 432. Now we have 28 times 9, so we can set the question out in the same way, and as always we start by multiplying our ones digits. We have 8 times 9. That's 72, but again we can only have one digit in each square or in each place value, so we need to write our answer to 8 times 9, so write 72 as 7, 2, so with the first digit above the next place value column along, so above our tens digit. And that makes sense if we remember that in 72 we have 7 tens and 2 ones, so we write the tens above our tens digit. So now we need to multiply this 2 that's in our tens by 9. 2 times 9 is 18, but we need to add the 7 that we've written above. So 2 times 9 is 18, and 18 plus 7 is 25. We don't have any more digits to multiply, so we can just write the 25 in our answer, so that's 252. Now we have 7 times 76. Although the single digit number is written first, remember with multiplication order doesn't matter, so we can set the question out in exactly the same way as we've done above, so with our two-digit number, the number with the most digits on top. Again, we need to multiply our ones digit first, and 6 times 7 is 42, so that's 4, 2, with the first digit above the next place value column along. So now we multiply our tens digit. 7 times 7 is 49, but we need to remember to add the 4 that's on top, and 49 plus 4 is 53. We don't have any more digits to multiply, so we can just write the 53 in our answer. So that's 532. Now let's have another look at this first question. We can show place value counters to represent the multiplication. So with 72, we have 7 tens and 2 ones. We were multiplying by 6, so we can show 72 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, because 6 is what we're multiplying 72 by. So we get 432, and that makes sense if we remember that we can regroup 10 ones to make one 10. So that's why we have the 1 written above our tens and just 2 in our ones answer line. But now we can regroup our tens as well. We can regroup 10 tens to make 100, and we can do that 4 times. So now that we've regrouped, we've ended up with 4 hundreds, 3 tens and 2 ones. So that's why our answer is 432. Our next question was 28 times 9. So we can represent 28 with 2 tens and 8 ones. We were multiplying by 9, so let's show the 28 9 times. We can multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But now we just need to do a lot of regrouping. we can regroup 10 ones to make 1 10. And we can do that 7 times. That's because 8 times 9 is 72, but because we've regrouped into 7 10s and 2 1s, we can write the 7 above our 10s column and the 2 in our 1s answer line. Now we can regroup 10 10s to make 100, and we can do that twice. So now that we've regrouped as much as we can, we have 2 hundreds, 5 10s and 2 1s, so that's 252. Our last question was 7 times 76, but with multiplication, order doesn't matter. We can show 76 as 7 10s and 6 1s, and because the other number in our multiplication is a 7, we can show these place value counters 7 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we can regroup. 10 ones makes 1 10, and that's why we get 42, but we write the 4 above our tens column because we only now have 2 ones. But now we can regroup our tens as well. 10 tens is the same as 100. So now that we've regrouped as much as we can, we have 500 counters, 3 10 counters, and 2 1 counters. So that's 532.